Welcome to Talk Anya, a small, quiet place where we slow down, breathe, and enjoy English together.
Hi everyone, we're really happy you're here today, so get comfortable and let's spend a few gentle minutes together.
My name is Anya. Here is my best friend, Martin.
Hey, nice to see you all. If you like learning with us, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us.
Yes, it means a lot. Today, we're going to talk about something very useful for everyday English.
We're going to practice describing what we do every day.
We want you to feel okay while listening. Just sit back and follow along with us.
Do you ever want to tell someone about your morning in English? What time do you open your eyes? Do mornings feel easy for you or a bit hard?
No hurry. We're just here talking together, like normal friends.
Let's begin.
Okay, I'll tell you about my usual day. Nothing big, just the way it goes. I open my eyes around 7 a.m. The alarm makes a quiet sound. My body still feels heavy from sleep. I think maybe a little longer. The blanket stays warm. The room has soft shadows because the curtains block most light.
I can understand that part. The bed wants you to stay.
Yes, then I look around slowly. A thin line of sunlight comes through the edge of the curtain. The air smells a bit like yesterday's coffee. I feel quiet inside, but also a touch sleepy. I sit up. My shoulders feel tight. I lift my arms high. That helps a bit. I think, new morning, new start.
What happens after that?
I walk to the bathroom. The tiles feel cold on my feet. I switch on the light. It's sudden and bright. In the mirror, my hair points in all directions. I brush my teeth. The mint taste wakes my mouth. Then I splash cold water on my face. My cheeks feel awake now. I put on clothes, soft jeans and a thick sweater. They feel good against my skin.
Breakfast next?
I go to the kitchen. Light comes in gently. I make coffee. The smell spreads everywhere. That moment always makes me feel a little better. I think, this is the best part. I eat bread with butter and a little jam. I sit by the small table. Outside, I see people walking and leaves moving. A bird sometimes lands close. Everything feels peaceful. After eating, I brush my teeth again. I put on shoes. My bag waits near the door. I look at my phone. Nothing urgent. Good.
How do you go to work?
I walk. It takes about 20 minutes. The morning air feels fresh on my face. My steps are not fast. I have music in my ears. The song is gentle. My body starts to feel lighter. I think, this quiet time belongs to me. I reach the office. It's still quiet. I say hello to the person at the next desk. I sit and turn on the computer. I begin my work. I feel steady.
And midday?
Around 12:30, I eat lunch. I bring rice and vegetables from home. Sometimes I eat at the desk. If the sun is out, I step outside. The warmth touches my face. I think, this short break helps. In the afternoon, I keep working. My eyes sometimes get heavy. I drink water. I stand and walk around the room for a minute. That brings energy back.
After work?
I finish at 5. I walk home. The sky turns orange and pink. My legs feel used, but not bad. I start thinking about food. At home, I change into soft pants and a loose shirt. I feel more at home. I cook something easy, maybe noodles or soup. The kitchen fills with good smells. I eat slowly. I look at my phone or read a few pages of a book. My body settles.
Evening time?
Later, I take a shower. Warm water runs over me. It feels very nice. I wash my hair, then I dry it and put on lotion. My arms and legs feel smooth. I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. I turn off the lamp. The room becomes dark and still. I think about what happened today. Some parts were good. A few were not perfect, but that's fine. I close my eyes and fall asleep.
Anya, you painted the whole day so clearly. I could see it.
But was every day exactly like that? Any hard moment recently?
Yes. One morning last week went wrong. I opened my eyes late. The alarm failed. The clock showed 7:45. My heart beat quicker. I felt stress right away. I'm behind already. My fingers felt cold. I got out fast. No coffee. No slow start. I hurried to the bathroom. I brushed quickly. My face in the mirror looked tight. I thought, how did I sleep through it? This is bad. I pulled on clothes. My sweater was on backwards. I didn't see. I took my bag and left. The street sounded loud. Cars passed. My breath came short.
That must have felt heavy.
It did. I walked quicker than usual. My legs started to ache. In my head, I kept thinking, people at work will notice. They'll think I can't manage time. But then, I reached a corner and stopped. I took one long breath. The air felt clean. I looked at the sky. It was clear blue. I said inside my head, one morning won't ruin everything. I'll just do what I can today.
That short stop changed things.
Yes, I arrived 15 minutes late, but my friend at the desk just looked up and said, "It's okay." The rest of the day went fine. I saw that one mistake does not mean the whole day is lost.
What stayed with you after that?
I understood that every day has its own shape. Some go smoothly, some have small problems. That's how life moves.
And you kept going anyway.
Right. When we describe our day in English, we can add those real pieces. Not only I wake up at 7, but I wake up at 7 and feel sleepy until I drink coffee. It sounds more like a real person.
One small idea to try?
When you speak about your routine, add one feeling. For example, I feel good when I walk outside, or I feel heavy in the morning. It's small, but it makes your words alive.
That's helpful. Easy to remember. Now let's turn to you. First question. What time do you open your eyes each day?
Answer in your head if you want. No rush.
Second, what do you do right after? Wash your face? Drink something?
Take your time to think.
Third, how do you feel when the day starts? Light? Heavy? Something else?
Just notice it quietly.
Fourth, which part of your day feels best? Morning coffee, evening shower, the walk home?
Think about it, or write it below later if you like.
Small challenge. Tomorrow, say 3 sentences about your day. You can speak to yourself in the mirror. For example, I opened my eyes at, I felt, I ate. No need to sound perfect. Just try once. You've got this.
We know you can.
Now word time. Useful words for talking about daily life. First word, wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping and become awake.
Example, I wake up when my alarm rings.
Next, get dressed.
Get dressed means to put on your clothes.
Example, I get dressed after I wash my face.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth means to clean your teeth with a brush.
Example, I brush my teeth twice a day.
Make coffee.
Make coffee means to prepare coffee to drink.
Example, I make coffee every morning.
Walk to work.
Walk to work means to go to your job by walking.
Example, I walk to work because it's not far.
Feel sleepy.
Feel sleepy means your eyes want to close.
Example, I feel sleepy before my coffee.
Take a shower.
Take a shower means to wash your body under water.
Example, I take a shower in the evening.
Describing our days in English is a small but real thing. Every routine has its own moments. The warm drink, the quiet walk, the dark room at night. We hope you feel good after listening. Maybe you want to try saying a few sentences yourself soon.
If you feel like it, write one thing from your day in the comments. We read every one. It makes us smile.
Thank you for being here with us. You're doing well. We'll talk again soon.
Have a good rest of your day or a peaceful night. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.